Hello, dear students. I hope you all are fine. As your exams are going on, so I'm uploading these sample papers. You can see this is the sample paper of English class 9th, 40 marks, that is for term 1. In some schools, it is of 80 marks because it depends upon the school in what way they want to test. But in many of the schools, the people are taking it only for 40 marks and it is totally MCQ based. In 80 marks, you'll be getting subjective also, but this time I am uploading it only of 40 marks, that is totally MCQ based. This is unseen passage. You can take the screenshot or you can go in on my Telegram group and you can get the PDF of the same over there. Fine. So these are the MCQs and there is also choice. You can see any 8 out of 10. So there is wide range of choice even in MCQs. Okay. This whole is the unseen passage. Fine. I'm scrolling it up little slow so that you can take the screenshot if you want to. Then there is one more passage. Okay, you can have a good look of it, solve it later on. So in this you have to do 6 out of 8. And I would like to mention here that the question papers, they vary from school to school. They are not similar everywhere. I mean, the pattern of the question paper is not same everywhere, but certainly questions are, because the syllabus is same all over India. Syllabus is not different. Okay, so you can go through these papers even if you are going to get a different paper pattern from your school side. Okay, because questions are same, so they are going to be very helpful for you. Fine, you can see this portion now, how they are testing the writing section. Okay, these all questions are related to the writing section. See, these are also related to the writing section. And now the literature one. Fine, in literature also we have MCQs. Okay, so it's going to be very easy for you. Only thing is that you should be aware of all the stories of the literature, and if you are not, then I have already uploaded maximum chapters of class 9th proper explanation in Hindi. So you can go on my channel, you can go in the watch section, or you can go on the playlist of class 9th and you can find maximum chapters uploaded in Hindi, total and complete explanation. Okay, so many questions are there. We have reached up till 57. Okay, so you can do good practice with this. Fine, here it finishes and the video also finishes here. So we'll be meeting next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.